Hi there. So if you work in HR and managing a company, this payroll tracker will help you to keep track of your staff, if their paychecks have been paid or not, and how much you have paid them. So I'll show you how this sheet works. It's really simple to use. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel. Okay, here we go. So first we want to just put in the employee ID number, and then you want to put the name of your employee, first and last name. And then put in the status of their paycheck for that pay period. Is it paid, unpaid, or pending? So click paid if it's been paid. What department are they in? So say they're in customer service and they're the receptionist. The pay period starts, so let's just say it's starting 9/16/25. Let's say it ends 9/30/25. Say their hourly rate is $18 an hour. They've worked 40 regular hours this week and 1 overtime hour. So the overtime rate is automatically calculated here in the formula, and I've got 1.5 times the hourly rate. If it's 2 times, you can change that to times 2, but we'll go ahead and change that back to 1.5. And so this is going to multiply times your hourly rate, and then the pay will add up the hourly rate times the hours plus the overtime hours times the hourly rate, and then you get $747. You'll manually put in the tax because it is different for everyone else, depending on how their forms have filled out, if they filled out a W-2, how many dependents they have, and things like that. So I'm just going to put in $100 here. And then if you take out retirement as well, we can just say we're taking out $50. So you will put those items in. And then the final pay would be the pay rate minus the tax and retirement, and this will give you the final pay. Any notes, pay, raise, let's say it's going to be 10/1, and we can put notes there. So that's essentially how this payroll tracker works. I have lots of other human resources and other business sheets that could help you to manage your business. It's available at savvyandthriving.com. Let me know if you have questions, and I hope you have a great day.